In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for beginners plus content calendar for a month, 5 minutes. First, sign up or log into Trello. Once you're in, create a new board. Give it a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Something like social media content calendar works great. This board will be your home base for planning, drafting, and tracking everything you publish. Next, set up your workflow with lists. A simple flow to start with is ideas, to do, drafting, scheduled, and done. Think of these as stages your content moves through from concept to completion. You can always rename or rearrange them to match how your team works, but this structure keeps things simple and visual. If you're working with others, invite collaborators to the board. This lets teammates add ideas, leave comments, and keep tasks moving without endless messaging back and forth. Clear communication inside each card will save you time later. Before adding content, define your strategy. Decide which platforms you're posting to, your goals for the month, and a realistic posting frequency. Pick a few themes or content pillars like education, behind the scenes, or promotions, so your ideas stay focused and consistent. Now start capturing and organizing content ideas. Add them to the ideas list and turn each idea into its own card. Use short, punchy titles so you can scan the board quickly. As you refine an idea, open the card and add a detailed description. Include the full caption you plan to publish so it's ready to copy and paste. Describe the visuals you'll need, whether it's a product photo, a screen recording, or a short video, so production is crystal clear. Add a concise hashtag approach that fits the platform and audience. Finally, include a call to action such as directing people to a link, inviting comments, or encouraging shares to drive engagement. Assign a due date to each card to map out your month. Due dates make scheduling effortless and help you balance your calendar across weeks. As work progresses, drag cards from ideas to drafting, then to scheduled when they're queued, and finally to done once they go live. The scheduled list is your snapshot of what's coming up and when. Make a habit of reviewing the board regularly. Note which posts performed best and which topics or formats resonated. Use those insights to fine-tune next month's strategy so your content gets smarter, faster, and more effective over time. That's it, your Trello content calendar ready for a full month.